plan to sail to Ipswich in the UK, which is around 18 to 20 hours sail from coast to coast, but weather will verify our plans. And we are heading to Roompot Marina, where we will stay overnight. And I think this trip's gonna be like 7, maybe 8 hours, depends on how the locks will be operating. The weather is nice so far, the wind around 10 knots, a bit of clouds. It's gonna be a little bit worse later on, stronger wind, maybe a little bit of rain, but we will make it.
There are a couple of differences when you're sailing with kids and without them, and coffee in silence and peace is one of them.
We are going southwest and the wind is also from southwest, so looks like we will have a bit of tacking today. 20 knots of wind, we are doing like 7 knots over ground, which is really great. In front of another lock, that's the smallest lock and actually the longest to go through. There are actually 2 parallel locks next to each other, but one is not operating today. So we've made it to the Zeeland Bridge through a pretty heavy squall with 45 knots wind, where I couldn't see anything around, just white wall full of rain.
I can hear myself think.
It's getting warm again. The last obstacle with the bridge, and then directly to the Roompot Marina where we stay overnight. And also we will spend there a day tomorrow preparing for another leap from Netherlands coast to the UK. The bridge will be open in half an hour, so we just need to wait here around.
In my head and they destroy everything. My demons tell
It was
me.
quite a day, I must say, and I'm pretty happy that it's over.
We will not make it to Roompot today as we had some delays on the way with the bridge and locks, and actually we would be there in place around 8 o'clock, and that is low water, which is at the entrance of Marina around 2 meters, and our draft is actually 2 meters, so there is a pretty high risk that we would run into ground, which we already did a few times actually. So we decided to stay in our favorite Zierikzee.
They are
To me, surviving this storm